On-site dealing with lagging and missing video streams and security equipment can cost you time and money. Hikvision Pro turns complex into simple, turning potential slowdowns from unpredictable to manageable, with a smart managed switch in its topology. In the topology, green lines indicate network normal, yellow for busy, orange for blocked, and red for disconnected. Click on the red line to check the corresponding switch's network status. Abnormal port connection is shown in red, normal in green, and no connection in gray. To avoid network congestion, select the appropriate port for access. Faults are pinpointed swiftly in case of a device port disconnection. With real-time monitoring, click the corresponding switch and you can view the device status and port status. Reboot the port with one click and restore the device status. The camera footage reappears. The smart managed switch proves to be your dependable partner for remote operations. Trust in its reliability.